Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search in your bookings at the Lufthansa application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and click on My Bookings. And if you have had several booked flights in the past, then just type your last name and your booking code, and then retrieve booking, and it will sort it out for you. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.